Thank you.
My
Alright,
brother.
I'm drinking on mine.
The German juice. Hey.
German juice.
The German juice.
You don't taste German juice.
Hey,
Ah.
I taste them for the weekend.
You taste them for the weekend. When they mix them with mango, apple, strawberry,
all and all.
so some of them they there for bum bum. You know they call bum bum. In bum bum in Igbo is zinc. All those old mango juice that mixed fruit inside the bum bum. What do they call it for English? Can. Yeah, bum bum. Try it. They sweet well. German juice. Ingo German juice.
Hey,
your life will
the
not
German
be the same.
juice. Oh, come on.
Now German juice. Now Delilah give Samson.
Okay. Now Cynthia Mo can even keep everybody.
Now Delilah give Samson. Where Samson tell us say now here if you cut him here. Power don't finish. And that German juice.
That time they press the head.
They press the head. So you can't give him the German juice. They think then now what thing cause him? Be that not be say it your clear eye, your carry tell him where the power do. No.
Now after you drink that German juice.
After you don't drink German juice.
Body can do alright.
Body can do alright.
You see, you don't drink German juice
Then
before.
Yeah, they drink German
you
juice.
don't drink am.
Yeah.
You're a drinkist.
Yes, because after you drink that German juice.
But I never taste time before, Sha.
But you dey drink
But
am.
you know the container.
I know the bomb way be.
But you know they drink them.
I know they drink them.
They do why?
Easy here hot, go on AC.
And this is not only me, I dey feel am.
You dey feel like you know toxins.
You know, I know toxins, idiot.
Every time you dey feel things, you dey feel things. Now so you go feel evil spirits inside your body self. So you know you feel things.
Anyway, my people, now welcome on top
The
of
German
show for
juice.
today, German juice.
Oh, the German juice.
If you know say you don't taste German juice, let us know.
Raise your hand.
Raise your hand and shout present, sir.
Give us a wipe.
Give us a wiper. Make we know whether you don't take German juice or not.
Wipes. I don't
Give us a
present,
wiper.
past,
Give us a wiper.
participant.
Anyway, una welcome to the night show for today. But to quick, before we start night show, you get gist where we know so they get plenty gist to talk.
No, but the juice inside. Yeah, German juice they inside the
German juice they inside. No, go down on our topic of today. German juice. No, now what be German juice? I don't know what you're talking about.
No, but German juice.
I don't know what you're talking about.
German juice they inside the topic now.
Anyway,
that is it. Oh,
what in there?
I don't know. Now, Keso just tell me something inside my ear. Now I just explode.
You know, say Kesula na the country where they like me. German juice.
The German juice.
You don't respect your own German juice.
Maybe non drink them.
Yeah. You don't drink now what for you?
No, na the other
you don't
side.
see anybody drink German juice. Check and their lips they yellow. And some they black, some they black.
It is what?
Some they German juice from the east. You get what they do. German juice from the west. You get what they do. Then northern German juice. Then middle bet your own.
Oh shit.
Their own. It come past the southwest own.
Huh?
Okay, that middle belt. Ooh.
Anyway, for beginning of the show for today, normal gist we go use to start show today. This one na matter bucket where they rain now. For inside the eastern part of a country, they use and take do business for Ghana. Make we show now the picture. Where that picture they
They do that picture.
Where that picture now top of crime matter.
No, we don't find our calling, me and Neru. Now we want to go tell
those are here people. See them. They say, do you want to boost your funeral?
Yes.
Hire our professional mourners, those where they cry, to come and cry at your funeral. Below are the charges. Normal crying, 200 Ghana cedis.
Yes.
Crying and rolling on the ground, 300 Ghana cedis.
Yes.
Crying and insulting the beat, the abuse, small, 400 Ghana cedis.
Yes.
Then crying, when you go to threat, you say, help, leave me, let me jump inside. Help me, can jump. 500 Ghana cedis.
Yes.
For more information, please call
the number on your television. Screen. Thank you. Liquid content only.
30784740. Liquid content only.
That is it. Pay only in cash. You don't have cash, bring your card. We get POS.
So, all those guys when they want to cry, the boy don't break my heart. You put your cry into good use.
Yes.
Put your cry because you don't go even collect money pass because you fine.
And you know, see some people, yours do 1, 2, 3.
Tears don't begin the room.
Finish. So why will you waste your tears?
This kind of people now. Now then they for burial, they feel they cry. Hey! They don't pay them money. They don't pay them money. Hey! Wait.
Now you
wait.
make
I give you the gist now. They go don't pay them money. You go see the women they cry. Hey! Now so this man take that. Please come tell them. No be man now, woman. Oh, sorry. Now so this woman take that.
He said no be woman. He died with him pikin.
Now so these people take that. Anyway, another to the back. Now chairman, I be commissioner.
Nedu, I know they do. If they want come carry.
What is NDDC? What mean of NDDC again? Niger Delta Development Commission.
Yeah.
It's a thief transformer. Okay? They are not the pay. See him. Former NDDC chairman. They don't give him 3 years now. Make you go rest for inside prison. Make free rent. Make you there for prison because of say it's a thief transformer.
Meanwhile, you see, I'm when he wear clothes, I go they lie down.
Hey, your excellency. Meanwhile, the guy na transformer is a thief.
Na thief. No, na thiefist.
He's a thiefist.
Yeah. I could have
yeah,
brother.
What are the ask now? How in go take go thief transformer?
I control now.
No, he go move am. Chai. How na take they do am?
How
una be who?
When without all those times when they go do all those, when they go move all those.
I see assistant. If it be like model.
How na take they do am?
How?
They do the way your kind clothes.
How na take they do am? Answer my question first now. How na take they do am?
How?
When they move transfer, you say. Actually, I talk now. He say they now organize it. They organize. Now make me the ask now. So how they organize?
If you this one example, go come up for office, go the carry transformer like this. Not control that.
This is too much.
Anyway, still on top transformer. We go show you one picture now. Make you see what thing will happen to you if you thief anything from this transformer, any wire. See what thing will happen to you. So when I show them the picture of what thing will happen to them. Then go show you different things. One, okay,
No, then get option.
No. This one be like, say for Nigeria here. If you want go peace, if they say don't urinate here,
they don't go listen.
You don't go listen to your peace. But the one they go tell you say, please urinate here. Give us your peace.
We need it.
We need it.
You say if you go peace.
See what they say, don't urinate here. Do not danger zone. Do not steal from this cable. These transformers. Otherwise, you will die suddenly. Accident will kill you.
You will sleep and die.
You will sleep and die.
Thunder will kill you.
Thunder will kill you.
You will not return alive.
You will not return alive
from your journey. Now, what is person supposed to put for house now? They don't burn you well. They do, if you see that kind of sign, we go say, oh yeah, come and peace here. We need your peace for healing purposes. You go peace there.
Doesn't donate your peace. You need it.
You know. For these people to arrange these courses like this,
they don't hear them.
They don't hear them. They don't tip their transformer once, twice.
No, they could say.
Anyway,
they could say make we fright. You safe, you be like who could do them. You know,
do
say
it
that you are a little sweet fine girl, Kayla.
Ah.
You could put this kind of signboard. If you near this house.
If you near this house, thunder will kill you. The ground you are watching on will swallow you.
I know you now, Nedu. Now the kind of thing when you feel.
Anyway, we get one gift for now today before we start the show proper of today. After I don't watch the video, we'll come back, come give you a topic of today's show. Then we'll give you another.
Gift, Nedu?
Then we'll come give you a skit from. No, we should be last week Thursday. We turn and say a cappella and sing card the good day here.
Those two people.
Those two fools we know well. They never come here now. We never see SIM card. We never see a cappella.
They miss their boss, Neru.
See, I know SIM card. I know a cappella. A cappella, woman.
Oh, you know Korean.
Why did he say he never marry? Why did he say SIM card never marry? Now, so the Sanisifa Funwa. All those places where those girls.
They need Jesus.
They need Jesus. You go say I tell you. Anyway, they ask me say how I take notes and Sanisifa Funwa.
This case solo. One day we could call and make it come sit down here.
Anyway, because I watch the video, music video from me and Katim featuring Easy Beat on the corner. Watch our music video. New hits coming up very, very soon. On WeTunes. iTunes don't fool.
No.
Now WeTunes. Now you go see them. Watch out. It's coming out now. Download the copy on YouTube.
Maria Rosa, Maria Rosa, ay bo. Ay bo, Nessimia. Maria Mama Rova, Maria Mama we, Maria Mama Rova, oh Maraifi. Maria Rosa, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Maria, sorry. Maria Rosa, I'm sorry. Maria Rosa, I'm sorry. Maria, magezi ganzikwamu eyali amanyi okukwasa mama emirimu nagwa Maria Rosa yegwe ndowooza I'm sorry Maria Rosa I'm sorry Maria Rosa yegwe ndowooza I'm sorry Maria Ay bo 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 ay bo kakatinyina sente sasula amanyi Maria jagenda baba jangweno gango nyambe baba bulamu bugenda eyali omunene okukomeri kakati nakoka kusaba ote Maria komewe waka I'm sorry my sweet lover Mama Maria Nayagala nkore mpisembi Mama Maria zewagana Nayagala nkore ndispurine ekivubuka Ti amo Maria Je t'aime Mariana Sorry my dear Je t'aime Maria Maria Rosa Yegwe ndowooza I'm sorry Mariana Sorry Maria Rosa I'm sorry Maria Rosa Yegwe ndowooza I'm sorry Maria Shuba Yep Maria Rosa Yegwe ndowooza Maria Rosa Maria Rosa yegwe ndowooza I'm sorry Maria Rosa I'm sorry Maria ay bo 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 ay bo Maria
Hey! And this sounds sweet, oh. I just they look two of them like.
We also enjoy that video.
Not be me, oh. It's not me.
Anyway,
It's not Nedu. Now you be that.
Anyway, I don't know what you're talking about. I don't know. Anyway, topic of today. Topic of today for night show. Now get today for night show. Now we begin call us, make we know what you get to think about this matter. This one a real life where they send us message. Now just yesterday, now we get this message. Now see how the matter be. This man end up marry, then in wife we marry.
A whole you know call his name. Praise the Lord.
K must tell us the name, but no call the name. But no call the guy name. So this guy don't marry. He get wife. Of course, he don't marry. Of course, he got gas get wife. And wife can't tell him say he get one friend. Her friend when he be say not get work. We not get work and she don't come up for school tete. She not get work. So I beg make them help her. When I hear this well, though, the wife come beg the husband. Say I beg make the husband help her friend when he be say not get work. Single girl. The man also okay no problem. Say space not there for the office. Say but the girl go be in PA or secretary anyone.
No,
the girl
we will leave her as secretary.
The girl choose now the gist now. The girl can finally choose as secretary. Say now she go be. Now the girl don't they work with the man. They don't they work for like 3, 4, 5, 6 months. Then as long the work they go, this man come begin they notice say in wife they always come out. Sometimes you go see the man, the woman they discuss with some kind guys.
You go carry telephone come out if you get phone call.
When she get phone call, when they to the house, she go carry phone, go outside. So the man come begin suspect. Say this woman, they cheat on him. Now, later again, the man come begin see the woman, he go they drive past, you go see the woman with different guys, go sit down, they gist, they laugh, you know, all those things. Now, based on that suspecting of in wife, he come begin the wipe.
A wife friend.
A wife friend. Say, if my wife they do, me self, make I they do. He come begin the wipe a wife friend. He can't wipe a wife friend 2 times. They don't wipe. Now later, when he come back from work, one day, because the man is a big man.
One day.
As he just opened door on his birthday, now you hear surprise. Those people were in the see in wife with, all of them they plan surprise birthday party for Ram. The woman not cheat on them for one day. The man now don't carry hand for head. After birthday party, the man sit down, the reason wetin he go do. The question now na say, make him tell him wife wetin happen, or make him sack the girl so that the matter go just die down there. If na you, wetin you go advise this man make you do? For you now go back small checking the break. When we come back, see SIM card and a capella no day, we'll get SIM card video when we will watch. Then on the SIM card at the mechanic, we will watch them when we come back. Over to you, Easy Bit.